guys, welcome back to another video today. Today we're bringing Black Bolt. So I'm at work. I brought one of my cards, Pokemon packs. The only thing is that you guys won't be able to see what I have in my binder. You'll probably see that in the next video if I do Black Bolt. I'll probably do it at home. Just that right now I'm loading pretty low pack, so I'm just trying to get what I can. Watching. Stay